Think about how often you run into an urgent home improvement matter that requires an urgent fix, pronto. Many local contractors mark up their real cost and it could end up breaking the bank. Others might offer cheaper quotes, but cost you in the long run with shoddy jobs because they simply don't know what they're doing. But not us. Our team of licensed contractors are up to tackling any of the following major emergencies that could arise in your home. Best of all, we deliver 5-star caliber customer service to everyone we work with at an honest, straightforward quote. Whether it's to beautify your home or help you with an urgent job on the fly, give us a call and find out why so many other homeowners choose us to get the job done.